जी नाज़रीन, आपको बताएं वफाकी वज़ीर मनसूबाबंदी एहसन इकबाल का तकरीब से ख़ताब, आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
How we live, how we learn and how we earn. Essentially, how we live. So when a change of this magnitude takes place, it becomes imperative for any progressive person or society to embrace the change proactively. Because you can either be proactive so that you become beneficiary of the change, or you can be reactive, which means that you just try to compromise with the change. You are not a beneficiary. Or you can be completely blind to change, in which case the change washes you away and you are the loser. So therefore, in 2013, we charted out a future for Pakistan called Vision 2025. And this roadmap envisioned that Pakistan will be among top 25 economies by 2025, largely leveraging the advantages of the digital revolution. It was with this purpose and mission that our government rolled out 3G and 4G licenses in a matter of a year, which had been pending for past 8 years. And that laid foundation for a new digital era in Pakistan. We also rolled out the first digital Pakistan policy to provide Pakistan a complete roadmap on path of digital transformation. We also set up national centers that could provide ecosystems for Pakistan to embrace fourth industrial revolution. In 2016, 17, 18, we set up National Center for Artificial Intelligence, National Center for Cyber Security, National Center for Big Data and Cloud Computing, and National Center for Automation and Robotics, a National Center for Applied Mathematics, so that this center can help people learn how to apply algorithms for the new digital revolution. And I'm very happy to say that these national centers have today created a significant ecosystem out of which startups are now coming out, and they have helped us develop a human resource, a critical mass of human resource in these very important transformational drivers of digital revolution. Just oil was the industrial revolution. Data and information is the fuel of digital revolution. So we are equally concerned with creating and building information highways in the country so that we are able to enable this digital revolution with fast flow of information and data and provide access to information and data to people all across the country. Digital transformation is a critical pillar of Pakistan's future. It enables us to create.
जी नाज़रीन, आपको बताएं वफाकी वज़ीर मनसूबाबंदी एहसन इकबाल तकरीब से ख़ताब कर रहे थे।